Okay, so I purchased this because now I have Logic Pro and I want to be able to do some of my own music for my videos, right? And this was like the cheapest keyboard that you could get. So we're just going to pop her open like this. So far, so good. Oh, we gotta go this way. All right, so comes with this, and it's got a QR code on it so that you can, do whatever you gotta do. You may need that. That's the manual. Put it over here, and then here it is, right here. Let's set the box down. Comes with a USB A to C. Let's get rid of those. And let's take a look at it. If I can get it out of this sheath. This was like the cheapest one you could possibly get. Take a look. Very simple, right? And all right, so you've got different controls over here that you can switch. I think this is the volume, maybe, I don't know. And then you've got all your keys that you can play, right? Now, I'm looking to see where, oh, okay. Over here is your ports, USB, and this is MIDI out. So there's a USB here and MIDI out, which I'm gonna have to learn about this, how it works, because I'm not exactly versed in this stuff. But yeah, so I think we can plug this right into the computer, and then we can go ahead and beep, 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 beep. Anyway, that's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.